Hey guys, I'm out here hitting up a new park with Diggin Canada. Just got a 1237, about 8 inches deep. Diggin Canada just pulled 2 silver dimes. I think I might have I was thinking it was a largie. That looks like some sort of medallion. Yeah, I'm not too sure what that is. Anyways, clean it up and there's a star in the back. Clean it up and I'll see you in the next. Okay guys, next signal, about 7-8 inches deep. Just pulled it out. You can see it sitting there. Oh, dropped it in the water. It's a King George dime. $1941, King George VI. Okay guys, looks like me and DC found a little hot spot here. Just pulled out of the hole. You can see the edge right there. Another silver dime. Yep. Another King George VI silver dime. Year on that is a 1950. Sweet. See you in the next, guys. I think I got another dime here. Oh no, it's a 1 yen. It wasn't with the 10 yen. I just pulled a Japanese coin out. This wasn't with it. Just aluminum. Nice. Okay, everyone is picking up another choppy coin signal, pretty deep. 7 inches. It's right there. Another silver dime. 1945 silver dime. George VI. Alrighty guys, I was getting a deep mid-tone 36 signal. Just pulled it out the plug. You can see it right there. It's looking like a flat button. The shank is intact. Awesome. Nice old button. A little bit of history here apparently, so we're gonna keep looking around here and we'll see you on the next. Next signal. Looking like another silver. It's a quarter, isn't it? Oh, it's a dime. Is that a rosy? I think it's a rosy. Yeah, I think it's a rosy dime. Sweet. It's the second rosy to come out of here. So, we'll see you on the next one. Okay guys, I was picking up like a 144, 145. Not even too deep. Man, look at the size of this buckle. This thing is huge. Maybe it's brass or maybe copper. Man, that's one huge buckle. Biggest one I've ever dug. And Diggin Canada just pulled out two more silvers. So we'll see you on the next, guys. Alright guys, this is crazy. 1237 signal. Right down here. I think I might have a largie. Or maybe it's a key. No, it's just a key. Oh, it's a nice old key anyways. See you on the next. Okay guys, another high tone. Just dug it up. Another silver dime. $1956. Awesome. This is a really good spot we found. Hey guys, it's early morning and I'm back out at the park where me and Mike found a few silvers the other day. I was picking up 1144, maybe 6 inches deep. I pulled a lot of old pennies around here. It's looking like a silver dime, guys. Yep. Just a young queen silver dime. I think it's a 1962. Awesome. First silver today. See you in the next. Okay, I was picking up a 1246, 1147 signal. Pretty solid. Not even too deep. Maybe 4 inches deep. See it right there on the side. Silver quarter, not too old. I think it's a 56. Sweet. 1956 silver quarter. See you in the next. Alright, for this signal I was picking up like a 1246. It's bouncing a little higher. Just pulled it out. Not too sure what it is. Thought it might have been an old ring or something, but it's looking like silver a little bit. Maybe a cufflink or a piece of jewelry or something, but not very sure. But it's a nice find. I'll clean it up, see if I get any markings off it. See you on the next. Maybe about 8-9 inches deep. I just pulled it out. 1246 signal. It's sitting there. Not really sure what this is. It's about the size of a nickel. I can't get any detail off it right now, but it's ringing up 1246, so maybe a foreign coin or something older. I'll show you a pic when I clean it up. See you in the next. Here's a wrap up of 2 hunts that me and Diggin Canada did at a 1950s park that used to be an old 1800s farm back in the day. I'll start off with these 2 finds. I forgot to put them in the other finds picture. But there's an old car wash token. It's not old actually. 2002. And an old brooch, gold plated, with a few stones. 3 stones. Some junk costume jewelry. I also got this really cool old button. It says Remington Express 20 gauge. Thought it was a shotgun stamp. A vintage little button there. Pretty nice find. I also pulled out 7 silver coins, 5 on the first hunt and 2 on the second. So 1941, 1950, 45, 56, 1953 Rosie. It's got a D-mint mark. 1962 and a 1965 quarter. So it's a pretty good hunt. Found a few silver coins. Also managed to find this huge buckle and this really old button. It says quality extra strong on the back, and I believe it to be from 1812 to around 1820, somewhere there. Nice old flat button. Got this old copper here. Thought it was a George III at first, but I'm pretty sure it's a William IV. So that would be 1831 It's a 1837. Put up a picture, but you can kind of make out there's Roman numerals up there. 4 lines for a 4, so I'm thinking William the Fourth. It's a pretty awesome find. There's a back there. Pretty pooch, but you can kind of make it out. The date would be on this side, but I think it might have got hit by a plow. Got a good couple hunts. That brings me up to 10 silver coins for the year and 2 buttons. So see you on the next one, and thanks for watching.